Hello. So, yeah, it's Tuesday and we are still on our leftovers from our wonderful roast Easter dinner, Easter Sunday. So yeah, a turkey crown, which, yeah, it's quite a bit on there still. I'm gonna boil this carcass up, make some stock. It's a nice leg bone there as well. Have I got enough for a curry? I'm not too sure actually. Might have enough for a pie. I've got some of that ready rolled puff, like puff pastry, sort of cheating really, but yeah, it's convenient. I was going to do a pie today, but I went out for a run, so it's going to be too late to do that now. But yeah, I've got some ham left, and yeah, some nice chunks of ham. So all I've done, I'm not going to use up loads. That will be for tomorrow's dinner now. Yeah, I've got if in doubt, pasta basically. I've got my water on for my pasta, and it's quite a good idea, especially this sort of time. You know, when you go through your cupboard and you think, oh, well, you know, you are short on pasta and things, but I know like certain pastas, we have different pasta dishes that I like to cook. Certain shapes work different. Different sauces and things. Some shorter pasta shapes, sort of like sauces, certain sauces like cling to them better, so you do that kind of shape according to what you're eating. So that's what I'm trying to say. I've got quite a few breaks of little, I've got some penne here that I'm just going to use up, and I've got this one here that looks quite nice. I don't even know what this one's called. It's like a twirly kind of riccioli, this one's called, like a half. So that will be, and I've even got some casseretto, yeah. So I'm going to improvise and just use a few bits of different shapes. So I've just put my pan on here. So I've just crushed. So I'm not very organised today. Right, so crushed a big fat clove of lovely clove of garlic here, big fat clove of garlic, and some mushroom. A mushroom that needed using up. It was just hanging around in the fridge as they do. So yeah, this is a good time to just look in the cupboard and think, oh, what do I need to use up, and improvise really. I've even found some great. We had pizzas at the weekend, so I had this like this pizza base sauce thing that I used on the pizzas. So yeah, there's a little bit of that left, and I've got some creme fraiche. So I'm thinking doing something a bit more creamy. So yeah, into my pan with my mushrooms and my garlic, I've got some sort of diced cooked ham. That was the gammon that we had on Sunday. So I'm going to put that in, so I don't forget that's already cooked, so it doesn't need cooking really, it just needs browning off, or even a bit of colour, sort of incorporated with the flavour of the mushroom, the garlic as well. So yeah, it's literally just going to take no time at all. I'm just going to put my pasta in now. Which one is it? I think it's going to be enough actually. Two of them have had their dinner. They had, because that's the thing, when you're all at home, you end up, you either eat all together, or certain people want certain things and you want them at slightly different times. So that's what's happened. Yeah, we had some like big beef tomatoes that were going a bit squishy, so they got stuffed with some feta and I think some tuna. So yeah, they had that earlier while I was on my run. So yeah, three of us are having this, hence why the portion isn't huge. But anything that gets left will be done for lunch or something. Like to use everything up. Right, so here's my pan. Show you my pan. Lovely. Garlic and mushrooms, wonderful. If you've got peppers, bung those in. If you've got courgettes, if you've got can put onion in there as well. Just whatever you've got, just raid the fridge of stuff, basically. So into here, I'm just going to put my half a tin of tomato. I think it's already got like that. What's it got in it? Basil. It's all in Italian. Don't understand it. Yeah, it's basically like a passata with herbs, oregano, basil, and other nice things. I think even garlic is in there as well, perhaps. It's a nice one. It's a decent quality one. Sometimes I don't bother making the sauce for the pizza. I'm doing the dough for the pizza, so why would I do the sauce? It's okay. It's okay to cheat. Right. So that's my sauce. It's gonna just coat the pasta. It's not gonna be like lots and lots of sauce, because that's the thing. Us Brits, when we do our pasta sauces, we like it like swimming in sauce. But in Italy, not that I've been, but there are lots of I've got lots of sort of Italian recipe cookbooks, and they have less sauce. They just coat the pasta, so it's more about the pasta and the shape of the pasta rather than the sauce. So everyone sort of has it slightly different, don't they? Sorry, I'm waffling. Right, so here's my. I turn the heat up a little bit in there. Right. Time. So now we add. So yeah, this is season it. Salt. Here's my pepper. A pinch of sugar. Cut through the acidity. I'm not going to add any more herbs because it says there's herbs in there anyway. Some creme fraiche, or if you don't have creme fraiche, use cream. Soft cheese, you know, like Philadelphia, if you've got some of that in there in the fridge. Bit that needs using up, whatever. What else? Mascarpone, if you've got some of that. A couple of 3 or so. As many spoonfuls as you want, basically. It's going to be like, it's just going to make it more mellow and a bit more creamy. And into there, I've got some pesto that just happens to be hanging around in the fridge. And I think that's going to make, because I've not got added any herbs, this has got obviously basil and stuff, so I'm going to add a dollop of that in there as well. Use it as an ingredient. You don't have to sort of use it on its own. Sometimes it's a bit boring on its own. I find pesto. It's not really. I use it more as an ingredient rather than sort of as it stands. Sometimes I use it on a topping, like with a herb crust, like on a bit of salmon or chicken or something like that. That's quite nice. I've got some balsamic vinegar going in there. A bit of balsamic. Yes, that's pretty much it. I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese on the top. If you wanted to put it under the grill, breadcrumbs on top with some cheese. So you've got a bit of like a crusty topping. Whatever you want, literally. Improvise. You know, just, I mean, from start to finish, this has took, 10 minutes basically to make. It is no time at all. Right, I'm looking for my salted spoon now. So my pasta's sort of been cooking. Not quite done, but it's al dente. So to the sauce, it's going to continue to cook in the sauce, and the lovely sauce is going to coat all the pasta. And some of the water's going in there as well. So that starchy water actually helps to thicken the sauce. So there's another tip. The pasta always goes to the sauce and not the other way around. There you go. So the heat is going to be turned up, and yeah, it's going to be lovely. It's going to reduce right down. If you've got some fresh herbs, some fresh spinach, bung that in as well.